Hi, Ryan Beester here with Barbaric North America. I'm at the IWF show in Atlanta, and I'd like to give you a quick tour of our booth and show you our line of manual handling equipment. And also, we're displaying our automated CSF storage and retrieval system. I'm here with our UWL 3 vacuum lifter. This is probably our flagship model, our most popular model. I'd like to give you a short demonstration about it. We use a variable frequency drive on this unit for the control of the up-down. So you have extremely smooth and precise movement. We have plenty of adjustability in the handle, both up and down and left and right. This particular model has a tilting function for horizontal to vertical applications. We use a nice foam seal on our suction cups to provide compliance on uneven or rough surfaces. On our aluminum frameway makes it extremely easy to maneuver. Two-button release for additional safety. If you'd like to learn more, please stop by our booth. We'd love to see you. Thank you.